Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's video about our reflective narrative here for VOIM 210 Office Technology Software 2. Now this is week 7.5 in our class together, so please take care. Week 7.5 starts on Friday, overlapping with week 7, and please remember all submissions must be completed by Monday before midnight. Here in week 7, both of our assignments are about reflection, both in discussion and our activity. So let's take a closer look at the activity, the Portfolio Project Reflective Narrative. And it states, now that you have successfully completed your portfolio project, compose a one-page reflective narrative that speaks to your thought process and experiences in working on this project. Now in your narrative, please respond to the following prompts. And that first prompt asks us to describe the concepts that you've learned thus far and how you feel this will benefit you throughout your degree program, as well as personally and professionally. And for that, I'll return to the Bryant and Stratton College Workplace Capabilities. Here, these capabilities are a great way to describe the concepts that we've explored this semester. And the second prompt, you can continue that thought. How will you take those capabilities and those things that we've learned in completing this project and then apply them to the workplace? The next two prompts are truly reflective. What has changed about how you would approach this type of project in the future? Describe what you might do differently if asked to complete similar projects in the future, and explain why. Were you challenged with time management? Were there specific technical challenges along the way that you had to overcome in either Microsoft Project or Microsoft Publisher? Now the last prompt's a little harder. It asks us to think back to the essential questions that you were asked when reviewing these requirements for the project all the way back in week 1. Now here it asks you to identify any additional questions that you have while completing this project that bring even greater value or connection personally or professionally. And to remind you of the definition of an essential question, those types of questions get right to the heart of the discipline. They have no obvious right answer. They spark our curiosity, and they'll recur throughout one's learning. And here are a few of those essential questions that I picked out from our week 1 discussion. How do we determine which information is important and which is not? What are our responsibilities to present the right information? What does it mean to be efficient at work, and how do learning skills in Microsoft Office technology improve our efficiencies? Finally, what type of skills do employers value in their candidates, and how do employees demonstrate this preference? So I look forward to all of your submissions here in week 7, and just a reminder, please take care. Week 7.5 starts and overlaps with week 7 on Friday, and that all submissions must be completed before Monday at midnight. And if you have any questions at all, I'm here for you. Please email me or post up something in an appropriate discussion forum, and I'll get right back to you. Thank you all.